Mr. President, that's all for the committees. May I request just to make a short, maybe 1 minute manifestation about an important issue with the permission of the Majority Leader? Yes. As we all know, Mr. President, the Department of Education scheduled a live shooter attack drill for tomorrow. Today, they announced that they will postpone it because of inclement weather. In the meantime, I'd just like to honor and thank the Philippine Psychiatric Association and Philippine Society for Child and Adolescent Psychiatry for issuing a joint statement. Maybe I can submit it so it can be inserted into the record. But basically, they're saying that preparedness in schools is essential, but the methods chosen must be trauma-informed and grounded in evidence. No? In summary, they are questioning whether it will do good or even harm, because unlike an earthquake drill or a fire drill that, in a sense, it's a reality, it's a disaster, a calamity, but we all know it happens, and the preparedness of the school is essential. In terms of live shooting, there are too many assumptions. For example, Mr. President, who plays the role of the live shooter? Do we assume now that it is normalized? And assuming it's a successful drill, will the students be traumatized afterwards in having to accept that their classmates might be radicalized or be a shooter, no? So I know there's so much work has to be done, and I know our dear colleague, former colleague and the Secretary of Education wants the best for the students. So may I humbly recommend, anyway, they postponed it already, that instead of this drill while it is being studied, a national day or half day be declared by the palace or Malacanang or the president, wherein a community town hall be held in every school. No, what I mean by a community town hall is like an expanded PTA. Invite the imams, invite the pastors, invite the priests, invite the parents, invite the student leaders, the teachers, the principals, even the retired principals and teachers, supervisors, invite business leaders, youth leaders, and get a sense of community going and a sense of the problems of each school in terms of the emotional, psychological, mental, spiritual well-being of the students, no? So, of course, we support any of this. Total, Mr. President, kaliwat kanan ang cancellation of class. And if you're going to cancel it another whole day for a drill, it's sad and it's a tragedy that it's happening in more schools. But to assume that it will happen everywhere, I think a mistake. It is also a mistake if we assume it will happen nowhere. But I think getting to rather than treating the lagnat and saying lahat magkakalagnat, let's find what is the cancer, no? What is moving the students to this. And by the way, Mr. President, before this happened, a number of suicides have also been noted over the last few years, maybe the last 3, 5, 10 years, no? So this could also be a topic that will be discussed as a community, supervised by the teachers and the parents. So I just like to put that on record. Many of our colleagues, dear colleagues, have brought up this issue, are talking about it. The Senate President himself has talked about this many times, but I just like to focus on the reaction. No, I mean, if the reaction is equally ill-planned or equally harmful, you know, we might have a bigger problem after this drill. So thank you for that opportunity, Mr. Majority Leader and Senate President.
Thank you.